10 amazing foods to boost your immune system. Hi everyone. Today, I want to introduce you to 10 amazing foods that can strengthen your immune system and help you stay healthy and happy. In the next videos, we will review each of these foods in more detail. 1. Horseradish. This root vegetable has a pungent, spicy flavor that is traditionally used in cooking and salads. Not only does it add a wonderful flavor to dishes, but it is also a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect cells from damage by neutralizing free radicals. In addition, horseradish helps detoxify the liver and eliminate harmful toxins from the body. 2. Echinacea. This medicinal plant can be taken as a tea or supplement. Echinacea can be especially helpful during the cold season when colds and flu are more common and can help the body fight these diseases more quickly. Echinacea can also help prevent ear and throat infections. 3. Thyme. Thyme can be used to flavor a variety of dishes such as chicken, fish, soups, and stews. Thyme tea is a great drink when you have a sore throat or cough. Thyme can also help relieve nasal and sinus congestion. 4. Ginger. Ginger can be used fresh, grated, or powdered in food and drinks. In addition to its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can also help relieve menstrual cramps and stomachache. Also, ginger, thanks to its strong anti-inflammatory properties, can also help improve joint pain and arthritis. 5. Turmeric. This brightly colored spice, which is used a lot in cooking, is a great source of curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric can be added to food as a powder or taken as a supplement. Turmeric can also help improve brain function and memory. It can also be effective in preventing and treating some diseases, including cancer. 6. Wild oregano. Wild oregano can be used fresh or dried in salads, soups, and stews. Wild oregano tea is also a great drink when you have a cold or a sore throat. Oregano can also help relieve digestive problems such as bloating and indigestion. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a plant that can be used raw, cooked, or as a supplement. Garlic is known as a natural antibiotic that is effective in fighting all kinds of infections. Also, garlic can lower blood cholesterol levels and support heart health. 8. Onion. Onion is a vegetable that can be used raw, cooked, or caramelized in a variety of dishes. Onions are an excellent source of antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Onions help strengthen the immune system and prevent various diseases. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be consumed diluted with water as a drink or used to flavor salads and dressings. Apple cider vinegar helps detoxify the body, regulate blood sugar, and lose weight. In addition, apple cider vinegar has antifungal and antibacterial properties. 10. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that, in addition to its incredible taste, has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey can help strengthen the immune system, improve sleep quality, and relieve coughs and sore throats. Additional tips: you can use these foods raw, cooked, or as supplements. To get the best results, it is recommended to use organic and fresh foods. Also, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before taking any new supplements. Remember that consuming these foods alone is not enough, and to maintain good health, you should have a healthy and balanced diet in general and exercise regularly. Please like, share the video, and comment below with your opinion and experience with these foods. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer: this is a general informational video and should not be taken as medical advice. Please consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice.